Hello again, this is Shane Carey with the Roofing Academy. I want to talk to you briefly about the power of follow-up. Most businesses in roofing don't lose sales because their work is too expensive. They actually lose sales because they have poor follow-up. Think about it. Customers are busier than ever, often very distracted, and could be weighing multiple bids. If you call once, here or there, and or leave a message occasionally, you're leaving money on the table. That's where timely follow-up can change the game. With automated reminders, text and email communication, your customer receives consistent touch points and you stay top of mind for your prospect. It shows professionalism, builds trust, and it keeps your name in front of the customer until they're ready to say yes. Businesses that implement strong follow-up systems close up to 40% more jobs, not by working harder, but by working smarter. The fortune really is in your follow-up. Do you have a strong follow-up process, or are you leaving your best jobs for your competitors by failing to follow up consistently? If so, give us a call, schedule a meeting, and let us at the Roofing Academy help you find greater success.